Akiaria thigire-ini wa iregi tariki 30 mweri unandikia mohoro, President Ruto augite ni athikiriirie muingi na gwitikirania na mamwe ma maundu maria marenda, ona gutwika augite mamwe mamo maya kuiga bururi haceke. Thirikari yatanyite kungania ciringi bilioni 346 kuhitukira watho wa kigina, mbeca iria President augite no cihuririo kuhitukira ngombo.
The funding gap we have done with the finance bill going down is that instead of borrowing 600 billion, we are going to borrow 600 billion plus 346 billion, that is close to $1 trillion.
President aheanite ndumiriri ino riri o kiumia ateti mathiaga harambe makanitha-ini na kuheana mamilioni ma mbeca, undu uria utumite muingi wone thirikari tekoretwo kionia muingi nda thutha wa kuhuna. President Ruto augite micango ya harambe yaya guthira, ona gutwika ndanatararia kana ni ateti mekugirio guthie harambe kana ona muingi ni ukugirio gutabania harambe matura-ini.
Maybe it is time to ban harambes so that we remove avenues of people participating in largesse demonstration of, opulence.
Gukundera kwa uganio wa magoti thutha wa mendekithia mawatho wa kigina guteanirio waya gutuma honge imwe iregerwo mbeca cia uthii wa na mbere kuringana na President.
It will mean counties will have to take maybe 30 billion shillings off their budget. It means we have to reduce CDF by maybe 10 billion shillings. It means we have to rethink about what to do with JSS teachers.
Honge imwe cia bata irarengerwo mbeca riri wabici itari gatiba-ini, kwa muhiano wabici cia First Lady na Second Lady igairwo ciringi bilioni 1.2 mwaka uyu wa kigina. Uyu uri umwe wa maundu maria andu ethe marenda ucenjio na wabici icio gutiga kugairwo mbeca iria muingi urihaga ta magoti.
Let's not have a spouse's office. I agree. Let's not have CASS for now. I agree. Let us not have
advisors.
Advisors. We will agree.
Maya mothe mokite riri President Ruto arina kibarua kirito gia ucokia mwihoko wa muingi thirikari-ini yake, ona miaka iri itathirite kuma ehitithio ta President mweri wa kenda mwaka wa 2022. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muriuki wa Muchoki.